So this is just a video introducing our videos coming up on renovating a rental property. We have a rental property and the apartment needed some updating, but the tenants really wrecked it. We had burn marks in the floors, so we had to tear up all the floors. So this was an opportunity for us to do everything at once. There's no sense in replacing floors if you're going to do a kitchen, so we just basically gutted the apartment. So there's going to be some videos coming up, and hopefully you're going to get some information out of it. If there's any other videos you want to see on renovations or rental property, put a comment below and we'll see what we can do to help you out.
I'm not a professional, but I am pretty good at doing some renovations. So a lot of the work that I do on my own.
We've had to because it's really hard to get a contractor.
Yes, I didn't want to take on a job as big as replacing windows, and unfortunately I'm still waiting for quotes, but I've given up because I've replaced every window in my house on my own. Unfortunately, I didn't do a video for that, but you're going to see some work that I've done on the other house that we have, our rental property.
Until the next video.
See you soon.